बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अल्लाह ताला सबको कामयाब करे, अल्लाह ताला सबके लिए आसानियाँ पैदा फरमाए। जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स पेपर दे रहे हैं, अल्लाह ताला सबको कामयाब करे। हमारा टॉपिक है सोशल इवल्स इन पाकिस्तान। आउटलाइन व्हाट आर सोशल इवल्स? करप्शंस, ब्राइबरी, होल्डिंग, exploitations, black marketing, nepotism are the common social evils. Adverse effects of social evils. Social evils are the biggest curses. Social evils are crimes against the society. They are venomous for a society. How to eradicate these social evils? Law enforcing institutions can play an active role. Strict punishment should be given. And conclusion. ऐसे हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. A society is the outcome of the people having different mindsets and approaches towards life. A society is the combination of good as well as bad people. Bad people are always a threat to a society. They give forth many social evils in Pakistan. Some people have unending lust for wealth and some are power hungry. A society also has come some exploiters. These people want to be rich overnight and try to get power at any rate. They misuse the good ways of society to be successful in their targets and aims. They do corruption, nepotism, hoardings and black marketing only for the sake of some extra money. ये उन लोगों की बात की जा रही है जो रातों रात अमीर होना चाहते हैं और उसके लिए हर बुरा काम कर गुजरने को तैयार होते हैं. These people and the ways they adopt are a menace to a society. Corruption is the mother of all evils in a society. A society is destroyed horribly in which corruption is common. This corruption weakens the institutions. The wealth of a country curtails in the hands of a few people. Life standard of the common people falls below the poverty line. When the power hungry people come into power, they do nepotism. They favor only their near and dear ones in every field of life. In this situation, the eligible people lag behind in every walk of life, and the persons who grab the seats are not eligible for those posts. This type of social evil is not only harmful for a society, but for the whole of the country. Hoarding is another social evil which is very harmful for a society. Only a few people, for the sake of money, hoard the daily usable commodities. They keep these commodities in hoarding use unless a temporary shortage of that thing occurs. The demand for those things in the market increases, and when the demand increases, the price naturally goes up. ये वही बात है जो इन्फ्लेशन और प्राइस हाइक में हो रही थी, जो चीज़ों की कीमत जो है वो प्राइस अप हो जाती है. The smugglers import, demand increases, the price naturally going up. Smuggling is another social evil. The smugglers import foreign things without paying the duty. Smugglers जो होते हैं वो बाहर की चीज़ें मंगवाते हैं और ड्यूटी पे नहीं करते, टैक्स पे नहीं करते. The smuggled things are generally less in price, so the people buy these foreign things on favor prices. The result in that the local industry crashes, so smuggling is very harmful for the economy of a country. Now the question arises how to cope with these social evils. The problem is worse but not incurable. By adopting strict strategies, these social evils can be eradicated completely. Strict laws should be made and strict punishment should be given to the people who indulge in these social evils. The law enforcing agencies should be active in this regard. The people should be well aware of the harmful effects of these social evils. Media should play its active role in this context. Our religious leaders should teach morality to the common people. नेक्स्ट हमारा टॉपिक होगा प्रॉब्लम्स फेस बाय पाकिस्तान. इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखिएगा. अल्लाह ताला सबका आमीन. सिर्फ दुआ में याद रखिएगा. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.